Hello students, in this video I will discuss the next chapter of your NCERT science book, that is combustion and flame. As you might be seeing, there is candle or matchstick at home you have seen. This is your gas burner, and this is some type of explosion like comes out with crackers when you burn it. So, what is combustion? From where does it come? What is flame? Why it is called flame? Or from where does it generated? This all thing will be discussed in this chapter in detail. So, it is an interesting topic because it relates you with your day to day life. So, you might be thinking actually what is combustion? If you see any firework, is that will be said to be combustion or what? So, a combustion is a chemical process. Two types of processes are there, physical and chemical. It is a chemical process in which substances actually react with oxygen. You know that in our atmosphere, oxygen is present. It reacts with oxygen to give off heat and light. When you go near to any of the firework, you will see, you will means feel heating effect. But if you are watching it from distance, you will just see light. So it occurs due to the chemical process in which any of the substance gets react with oxygen to give off heat and light. So you don't need to learn any of the definition, you just have to try to understand more and more as possible. Now there are various types of combustion. In this chapter we will discuss all the three types of combustion, as well as if you have seen firework in your candle or in your lamp early days, when there were very less amount of inverters in houses, we used to use coal, what, lantern and lamps. That candle is just a burning of, you can say, wax. But how does that lamp used to work? So lamp is actually the change of what it needs, what fuel. This fuel is actually burned, which gives us what, heat as well as light. So what type of, that means for combustion fuel is one of the necessary thing. We means those objects will be needing, like we as a human being, animals, species, or even all the living species need some food to get energy. Similarly, lamp, automobiles, in the previous chapter I have told, those automobiles need fuel. Similarly, lamps also need fuel in the form of kerosene oil, which burn further to give us, or when we burn it with the help of matchstick, it gets reacted with the oxygen and produces heat and light we are able to see in the dull day. So this is rapid. There are three types of combustion: rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion, and explosion. If you go through the word rapid, rapid means anything in super fast speed. When anything means any of the firework, if it takes in a super fast manner, it will be said to be rapid combustion. Spontaneous means, what does the spontaneous combustion means? It means on the spot. And explosion is just, you can say, suddenly, or when you burn the cracker is the good example of explosion. Let us understand in detail one by one what is rapid, what is spontaneous and what is explosion type of combustion. This is rapid combustion. Here it is shown the picture of matchstick. Combustion reaction that occurs with a greater speed, means in super fast speed, producing enormous amount of heat and light, means abundant amount of heat and light when is produced in super fast manner. If you have, all of you might have used matchstick and you know that how with what speed does this matchstick is burned or it starts working. So same thing is actually what takes place, rapid combustion. When we use matchstick, at that time rapid combustion takes place. Now spontaneous reaction that occurs on its own without the submission of heat, means with means own, like here is the example of combustion of coal dust. No one burns, no one use fire, gives fire, no one use any kind of matchstick, but then also heat and light produces. Why? Spontaneously. That's why this type of combustion is known as spontaneous combustion. Next is explosion reaction that occurs with the evolution of tremendous amount of heat, means when we burn any cracker or bomb, what happens? Tremendous amount of heat is needed there. All of you might have burned many types of crackers and you know that if there is no proper heat, we used to provide heat with the help of intense stick. If there is no proper heat, no light, no gas and no sound is going to be heard. But if there will be tremendous amount of heat, light, gases and sound, the combustion takes place, will be said to be explosion, and example is exploding of crackers shown in the figure. So now let us try to understand what is actually combustion with an activity. Three boys are ready to play carom and suddenly power cuts off. Now what we'll do? The one student has brought candle. Now candle is going to play a role of giving light. What is here flame all about? Actually, what you will learn that what is the structure of flame. I will discuss about the structure of flame, then fuel and fuel efficiency, then what are the harmful effects of non-luminous zone of the flame is the hottest part of the flame. So students, in the next video, this was all about combustion, types of combustion with the help of activity. In the next video, we will discuss about fuel, its efficiency, how does the calorie value depends on the quantity of fuel. Each and everything will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.